start off on our journey, and this is our father over here in Busuanga Bay, and we're on BBL's glass bottom boat. And if you look down here, later on you'll be able to see some fish and everything. And it's his birthday, Damian, the second guy. This one here, it's his birthday. And there's 14 of us celebrating. There's MJ, Simon, and Manu. These are all our friends in the bay. Here's the crew, whose life I depend on. There you go. And there's all the girls. And here's Gary, having a wonderful time. Yeah, so beginning of our journey, we're gonna make our way to the landing craft, which is a wreck from the Japanese Second World War here in 1946, I think it was. And then we'll make our way after that to Black Island. In front of us right now, this island here is Pass Island, which I have done a review about. Pass Island is absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. So check that out. I'll leave a link to it here. And then over here in the back is Calauit Island. If you want to buy that, it's for sale for about $10 million. So nice. You can live in paradise. So here we are. We're leaving the Busuanga Bay right now. And this is the pearl farms. This is a Japanese company. They have pearl farms all over. The same over here. And this is the base in the background. This is the pearl farm over here. And there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pearls growing here, worth millions and millions of dollars. So if you want a pearl, this is the place to come. And here's Alright, so I'll keep you updated on the journey. And we're having fun. I hope you're having fun wherever you are. And I'll see you shortly.